These bloodstains, these are messages that players can leave at any moment. They're accessible to all players in the world, and they have a variety of it's a mixture of humor.
Yes,
I guess like
yes,
any notes left
exactly,
in a
exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
world.
That's right. It's
Scribbling on the bathroom wall.
it is exactly like that, I think. And with the messages, it's interesting because the server will kind of give you what seems to be a random selection of them in a given location, and they load in and out. When you're doing an archaeology of the player messages and the bloodstains, because they also load in and out as well. You're also doing an archaeology of the server, so it's this thing of there are almost different levels. As you're observing this and thinking, how's the algorithm for this game deciding what it shows you and at what point? As far as I know, there's no data about that, or we don't know how that works. I think people have tried to hack it, but then I think you can see there's a recency bias in terms of when messages were posted. But other than that, I don't think we have a full understanding how it works.